Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the fry bag, and I'm going to try to stay in frame, guys. This is the second time I make this bag because the first one was it was bad. So hopefully I can stay in frame. So to make the bag, this die comes with 5 pieces. And you need to cut two. First of all, let me show you this paper clip because I thought it was so cute. I have made a paper clip, and all I did was, this is a little plate, they stay together. So you run this through your die cut machine with whatever paper you're going to use, and I glued all 5 layers together to make it nice and thick and sturdy, and then I cut one with the glitter paper, and that's what your paper clip looks like. So this one's really cute. That's just an extra for you. And then you need to cut this one 2 times. Okay, cut this one twice. This is going to make your fry bag. And then these are optional toppers, and I will show you what those are, how those are used in a little bit. So I have already cut my 2 pieces of my main piece of my fry bag. So all I did here was cut the pieces, and I folded your gusset lines, these little lines, and hopefully you can see these. They have little score marks. So all I did was fold the score marks to the back of the bag, front and back. Okay, both of them are going to be folded the same way. So this one is my front side. This one has a score mark at the bottom as well, and that one I folded back. Okay, so I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to flip it over, and this is going to be my back side, right? And this is my front side with the folded bottom. Okay, so we are going to glue these this way after we do a little bit of cutting. So you can either fold this piece or cut it off. This is 110-pound cardstock, so I don't want the extra bulk, so I'm just going to cut that off right at the bottom, right at that score mark. I am cutting that off because I don't want the extra bulk. Again, this is my back side and this is my front side, so now they're a little bit different. Okay, so I don't have that bulk at the bottom, and this is how I am going to glue these together. And I'm going to fold this up, and that is going to become our fry bag. But I don't want this piece at the top because I want my fry bag to be shorter at the front because that's the way they are, and longer in the back. So we have options here. We can just cut it off. You can fold it back, you can fold it forward, or you can take these little pieces right here and you can cut let me move the back piece. You can cut this right there, or you can use this one and cut it, or you can use it with the slit there, or with the opening to the bottom, or you can use this one to the top or this one to the bottom. Okay, they are really meant for the bottom, but you can do and you can do it however you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one straight across right here. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I just put my die right there, right where I wanted it. I'm going to run it through my machine and cut that part off. I have run it through my machine, and there's one little piece right here. It doesn't go all the way through, so I can cut it straight to match the other side of my bag. It's a tiny little sliver there. Okay, so this is the front side that I no longer want. So let me remove these and we will assemble our bag. So again, this is my front, this is my back. Let me fold those score lines right there, and I am going to glue this to my bag right there. Okay, right there. Alright, my gussets are glued in. Now all I need to do is flip it over and glue this to the back side. There you go, guys. There is your fry bag. Now it props open. If you want it to open even more, it will open even further. So you can actually pop that out a little bit and have it really open up for you. There you go, guys. It was simple. It comes together really quickly. If you use pattern paper, of course you don't have to worry about a white bag. I actually made one where it was white, but I went ahead and layered it with pattern paper, front and back, and I just love the way that looks. So I did not cover that because that makes the bag side of the fry bag. And that is the front, and here is my paper clip that matches this paper, and I can now dangle something from the fry bag. There we go, guys, and that is how we put together the fry bag. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.